Hi, dear young friends. I welcome all of you for a very interesting topic today. Myself, Dr. Garima Srivastav, clinical psychologist, and I am going to take you all throughout this 17 minutes, a very interesting journey that I'm going to discuss with you, which is mostly about teenage. So, do you even realize when you enter teenage what really changes? Yes, your body changes, your face changes, how you look changes, your voice changes, right? And something deeper inside you also changes. You are more concerned about how you look, how you behave, what you wear, right? And what body you have, what body type you have, what sports you play, how you study, how much you study, how much you score, right? So this is called self-image, how you think about yourself, how you feel about yourself. Secondly, one more important thing changes, which is called social image. So you are more invested and concerned about how society sees you, how your friends see you, how your social surrounding sees you, how you look on social media platforms, how your pictures are coming on Snapchats, how people see you in parties, how you are seen or accepted in your group of friends, and how well, you align with the group, isn't it? So now this is called social image. So when we enter our teenage, social image and self-image become the most interesting thing in our life, isn't it? Okay, so now tell me, what all do you do for your self-image and for your social image? For your self-image, yes, you take more care of yourself, you take more care of your body, you take more care of your skin, your dresses, your dressing style, your walking style, your talking style, your academics, your sports, everything. You just want to be the best in everything, isn't it? Right? And what do you do about your social image? Yes, when you go to parties, you wear a particular kind of dress that has been asked for. You try to follow the norms of the parties. You try to be, you love to be in a particular group, where you feel that, yes, that is the coolest guy and I want to hang out with him, and that is the beautiful girl, that she's so intelligent, she's so good looking, and I just want to do anything to be a part of her group. Anything, whatever it takes, मैं कुछ भी करूंगी, but मैं उस ग्रुप का हिस्सा बनना चाहती हूँ. That particular girl or that particular boy should look at me, should talk to me, and should be my friend, isn't it? Because obviously वो image की बात हो जाती है, isn't it? है ना? So, and many a times हमें लगता है कि our parents are outdated, they are old fashioned, they don't know how to behave, they don't want to try new things, नई नई चीजें नहीं करते हैं, कुछ रिस्की चीजें करनी चाहिए. लाइफ एक बार में मिलती है, एक बार के लिए मिलती है. आई मस्ट डू समथिंग गुड, एक्साइटिंग चीजें करने का मन करता है. And all those who are not doing those exciting things, आपको लगता है ओहो, they are not good for anything, इनके साथ दोस्त नहीं बनो, ये तो छोटे हैं, मोटे हैं, नाटे हैं, and ये तो रिस्क भी नहीं लेते लाइफ में, तो they are not that brave enough, to try new things, isn't it? ऐसा होता है ना, mostly होता है, सबके साथ होता है. We have all gone through this phase in our teenage, right? So this is very common. I do relate with this, right? So now let us understand, for our social image, for our social acceptance, हम किस एक्सट्रीम तक जाते हैं. कई बार तो एक प्रॉपर पर्टिकुलर ड्रेस तक सीमित होता है. कई बार अपने को एक सर्टन dressing, certain physical health, certain physique, certain figure, certain color, certain academic scores की आवश्यकता होती है. And many a times हम लोग कई बार जब पार्टीज में जाते हैं, पार्टी में जो चल रहा होता है माहौल, जो चीजें ऑफर करी जाती है, हमें वो भी करनी पड़ती है in order to be socially accepted or to be a part of that group, isn't it? Yes, it does happen. It does happen, dear children, and we all have gone through this and we all do this also. So many a times young children come to me with complaints of headache and complaints of not being able to sleep, complaints of not able to learn, not able to think, reason, remember, write properly, or having low mood. Then I ask them, what is your problem? क्या दिक्कत है? ऐसा अचानक से कैसे हो गया? ये एक दिन और 2 दिन की तो बात नहीं है. Slowly, making a good rapport with them, they tell me, ma'am, I have a very good friend circle of mine and I really love them. Then their deeper questions tell me, yes, ma'am, I had gone to a party. I have very good friends. We go out with our party friends and we do parties with them. And many a times parties में हम कुछ ऐसी चीजें खाते हैं, ऐसी चीजें पीते हैं जो कि हमें बड़ा आनंद देती हैं, बड़ा मजा आता है और हमें अच्छा फील होता है. Then I ask them, मम्मी को पता है, पापा को पता है? तो बच्चे मुझसे क्या बोलते हैं, मैम उन्हें नहीं पता, उन्हें प्लीज मत बताइएगा क्योंकि वो गुस्सा हो जाएंगे और वो क्या जाने मैम आजकल ये जेनजी जो कल्चर चल रहा है, अगर आपने इसमें ये चीज नहीं करी ना तो आप फ्रेंड सर्कल में नहीं होते हो उनके. तो मैम ये सब करना पड़ता है और मैम इससे कुछ नहीं होता, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती. देन आई से okay, I understand and I understand and I respect that कि हाँ at least you have been open to me and you spoke to me. फिर धीमे धीमे करके बिहेवियर पे जाते हैं, उनके बिहेवियर के जो बिहेवियरल पैटर्न्स को समझते हैं, उनके एंगर पैटर्न्स को समझते हैं, उनके ईटिंग पैटर्न्स को समझते हैं. देन उनके ऑक्यूपेशनल लाइफ में जाते हैं, उनके एकेडमिक्स को समझते हैं, उनके रीजनिंग, थिंकिंग, मेमोरी को समझते हैं. Then I go into their social circle. Then I go into their interpersonal relationship with their parents. धीमे धीमे करके कुछ कॉमन सिम्टम्स निकल के आते हैं जो कि एक प्रॉपर क्राइटेरिया में फॉल करते हैं. दैट इज क्राइटेरिया ऑफ सब्सटेंस अब्यूज. Yes, my dear children, substance abuse. Are you aware of this? No, na? So let me explain you what is substance abuse. That is nicotine abuse or tobacco abuse in any form. That could be in the form of vaping. That could also be in the form of smoking cigarettes, or it could also be taking puffs or hookahs, be it any flavor. So, bachcho, how does it really start? It starts with trial, right? It starts with the theory called trial and error. एक बार ट्राई किया, it doesn't taste good. Coughing, sneezing, right? Second time ट्राई किया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई. Third time ट्राई किया, अच्छा लगा. Fourth time ट्राई किया, एक बार में अच्छा नहीं लगा, 2 बार में अच्छा नहीं लगा, एक और पफ, 3, 4. This increases your tolerance, right? Gradually it becomes a habit, right? जब ये habit बन जाता है, slowly and steadily it enters your life like a monster and it starts eating you up. How does it eat you? Right? How does it eat you? It affects your thinking, reasoning, your focus, your attention. It also affects your sleep. It affects your appetite. It affects your mood. It hampers all areas of functioning. For example, आप स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत अच्छा करते थे एंड धीमे धीमे करके आपको वो एनर्जी कम लगती है. क्यों कम लगती है? हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट इट? वो इसलिए कम लगती है जब आपको भूख लगती है, या मान लीजिए आपसे पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही एंड यू आर फीलिंग टायर्ड एंड एंग्शियस. व्हाट डू? You quickly go out to get that energy. Now, what is your energy? Obviously, your energy is no more an apple. Your energy bar is no more a chocolate or a banana or maybe dal chawal. You go out with your friends for a little break from your studies. You go out with your friends, take a puff and come back. Right? और पढ़ते पढ़ते बोर हो गए, बर्न आउट हो रहा है एग्जाम के पहले, यू गो आउट विद योर फ्रेंड्स फॉर अ कप ऑफ कॉफी. कॉफी की जगह हुक्का चल जाता है. फिर जब आप वापस आते हैं, आपकी भूख तो वैसे ही मर चुकी होती है. एंड देन व्हेन यू कम बैक होम, यू फील गुड, यू फील हैप्पी, यू फील इलेटेड, यू कम बैक होम, you study a little and go off to sleep. Now your mother and your father feel कि ये मेरा बच्चा जो पढ़ रहा था, थक गया था, बाहर गया, enjoy करके आ गया, now he is feeling fresh, he is tired, now he wants to sleep. But dear children, this is not exactly what is happening. तो जब आप हुक्का ले लेते हैं या मान लीजिए स्मोकिंग कर लेते हैं, आपकी भूख तो खत्म हो ही जाती है, आपकी लंग्स अफेक्टेड होती हैं, आपकी आईज अफेक्टेड होते हैं, आपके टीथ अफेक्टेड होते हैं, आपका गट डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है, आपका एसिड जो कि आपके गट में होता है, जो आपका इंटरनल एसिड होता है, वो भी डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. यू हैव एसिड रिफ्लक्स, यू हैव ब्लोटिंग, यू हैव कफिंग, you have sneezing, and then you have dizziness, and you also may experience heaviness in your head. Then all these symptoms lead you to feel more tired and you feel sleepy and you go off to sleep. Then next morning when you wake up, you feel you don't have that energy to go to school. Then you take a leave, and the cycle is repeated day in, day out, and every day it becomes the same routine. So dear children, if you are experiencing similar episodes of tiredness, fatigue, low mood, irritability, please keep a check. Are you being eaten by a monster called tobacco or substance in any form? If you are, you must always consult a physician or a psychologist or any mental health professional. Yes, you must also consult your parents. You must talk to them about this. Yes, they might scold you for the first time. They will scold you for the second time. But third time, they will understand you. Yes, no parent, no teacher wants bad for you. They all love you and they want the best of you. Yes, dear children, now let us understand how you yourself can help yourself in this entire situation. Suppose you are in a situation, you are in a party and you are offered a hookah, or you are offered to do vaping, or you have to take cigarette. If you are offered a cigarette, now how do you say no? First you have to understand and tell yourself, no, I'm confident enough to say no to this. This is going to harm my body, my mental well-being, my emotional well-being, and also my academics and my relationship with not only myself, my parents, my friends, but also with my surrounding, right? Secondly, you have to be firm and you have to say, no, I'm okay. I can enjoy myself with this mocktail. Or I would rather have a piece of cake. Okay, so please friends, do not try to fall prey to all these substance abuse, right? And then if you are always feeling lonely and left out, अगर आपके friends आपको नहीं हिस्सा बना रहे हैं, if you are not trying what they are offering you, please don't feel incomplete. Please don't feel left out. There are better things for you like reading books, drawing, painting, meeting a new friend, making new relationships, listening to music, trying out a new hobby, which makes you feel competent and also acts as a coping mechanism and keeps you happy. Also, try to sleep at fixed time, eat good food, feel fulfilled, eat mindfully, do not use gadgets to, while you are eating food. Also, my dear children, you have to understand this is a very, very sensitive age group that you all are in. सारी चीजें आती हैं ऐसे, सब्सटेंस अब्यूज आएगा, समटाइम्स यू विल बी इन अ डिफिकल्ट situationship, relationship, academics. Sometimes you'll not, you're not able to understand your academics. You feel burden. For everything, there is a solution. Going to substance or having tobacco in any form is not the real solution that you're seeking, right? Okay, my dear friends, I understand. कभी कभी चीजें ट्राई करनी चाहिए क्योंकि ये एज ऐसी है. टीन एज में अगर ऐसा कुछ ट्राई नहीं किया तो लाइफ में कब ट्राई किया? आई अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग, यू शुड डू एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ. टीन एज भी एक ही बार आती है लाइफ में. बट डियर स्टूडेंट्स, डू एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, बट नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ योर हेल्थ. Right? Not at the cost of your career, your academics and your happiness. क्योंकि अभी जो ट्रायल से आप स्टार्ट करते हैं, धीमे धीमे करके ये हैबिट एंड धीमे धीमे लॉन्ग टर्म पे आपको इसकी डिपेंडेंसी लग जाती है. एंड इफ यू आर ट्राइंग टू ओवरकम दिस डिपेंडेंसी ऑन योर ओन, सो माइंड you might experience withdrawal symptoms which can be very, very dangerous if you are doing it all alone. You may experience blackout, you may experience anxiety, you may experience panic, you also may experience tremors, or maybe sometimes you may experience certain psychotic symptoms, like you may feel like an alien, you may not feel like things around me are real. So dear children, please be there with your parents if you are experiencing any such things. And friends, I know they are always helpful and they are very good to you, but they also share the same experience, they also share the same information and the knowledge like you. They are not much experienced, they are not more aged than you. Your parents, your teachers, your doctors are much more experienced than you. They are able to handle such cases in their day-to-day life more efficiently. So with this, I take your leave, and if you are experiencing anything which you are not able to share with your teachers or your mentors or your parents, please feel free to talk to a mental health professionals. Okay, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.